What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I keep getting interrupted by 18-wheelers and cars now that football season's over with. God, I wish there was something else that was on TV to keep these rednecks off the road. But anyway, today we're doing up a three-way dance on some T-bone steaks. We're using Saints and Sinners rubs to do a showdown. We're using up some of their butt dust. This is their pork rub. It's got salt, pepper, brown sugar, chili powder, paprika, garlic, and other spices. Then we're also using up their chicken little. This is their chicken rub. It's got salt, paprika, oregano, thyme, lemon, garlic, and other spices. And finally, we're going to use up the Asian rub. This is the Thai chai rub. It's got salt, chilies, paprika, lime, garlic, ginger, coriander, red pepper, Chinese 5-spice, and citric acid. This is going to be a one heck of a showdown. Let's go ahead and see which one's going to be my winner. Your ingredients for your Saints and Sinners three-way dance steak challenge. Some steaks. I pulled out some T-bone steaks. Any other steaks will do. Some Saints and Sinners Thai chai rub, their chicken little rub, and butt dust rub, and some Worcestershire sauce. First up, we go ahead and put on some Worcestershire. Now we're going to go ahead and put on that butt dust. It's the pork rub. Now we're going to go ahead and put on that chicken little. It's the chicken powder. And last up is the Thai chai. This is the Asian rub. We're going to get our grill set up now. We're using the Slow and Sear version 1 basket. Right now, we're going to go ahead and put in a Weber wax cube. There we go. Gonna let that get lit up before we go ahead and put the grate on top. We got some of our coals lit. We're gonna go ahead and throw on some Jack Daniel's wood chips. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our steaks. We're going to let them smoke until they hit 110. Just because this is cast iron, it's going to heat up a whole lot quicker. So we're going to do it till about 110 degrees. We're at 110. Didn't take any time at all. That's the pork one. That's the Asian one. Gonna go ahead and flip it. Oh, a nice char going on. Look at them lines. Beautiful. There we go. Put that chicken on now. And we done. Alright, we're done now, so time to go ahead and do that taste test. First up, pork. Very nice salt and pepper taste to it. Got a little bit of a brown sugar note. Overall, very nice, subtle, not overpowering. On to the chicken. Much more of a presence than the pork, with the addition of the oregano and thyme and the lemon. Much more of a presence. Definitely like this one. Now on to the Asian rub. You can definitely taste the coriander and the lime in it. And the chilies are starting to come out after you finish chewing. You could definitely taste the chilies in it. Definitely an Asian flavor to it. I like it, but not as much as that Chicken Little. That's my favorite one when I do beef, outside of doing the regular Saints and Sinners all-purpose rub. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.